How to propagate philodendron pink princess. To propagate philodendron pink princess, I've had success with stem cuttings. I choose a healthy stem with a few leaves and make a clean cut below a node. Then I let the cutting sit in water until it develops roots. Once the roots are established, I transfer it to soil. It's a rewarding process to watch new growth emerge from the cutting, and it's a great way to expand my collection of these beautiful plants. Is philodendron pink princess toxic to cats? When it comes to pets, I've read that philodendron pink princess is toxic to cats if ingested. As a cat owner, this is something I take seriously, and I make sure to keep my plants out of reach or in areas where my cat doesn't have access. While I love my plants, my pet's safety always comes first. How to care for philodendron pink princess. Caring for philodendron pink princess has been a joy for me. I find they thrive in bright, indirect light and appreciate regular watering, allowing the top inch or so of soil to dry out between waterings. I also like to occasionally mist the leaves to increase humidity, especially during drier months. Providing them with a well-draining potting mix and occasional fertilization helps to keep them healthy and vibrant. Can philodendron pink princess revert? I've noticed that philodendron pink princess can revert to its green form under certain conditions, particularly if it's not receiving enough light or if it's pruned incorrectly. To prevent this, I make sure to give my plant adequate light and avoid drastic pruning that could encourage the growth of green leaves over the pink variegation. Does philodendron pink princess climb? While philodendron pink princess doesn't climb on its own like some other vining plants, I've found that it can be trained to climb with a little help. I use small stakes or a trellis to support the stems and gently guide them upwards. This not only adds visual interest to the plant, but also helps to keep it growing in a neat and compact manner. How big do philodendron pink princess get? In my experience, philodendron pink princess can reach impressive sizes with the right care. Mature plants can grow several feet tall and wide, creating a stunning focal point in any indoor space. Regular pruning can help to control their size and shape, but overall, they have the potential to become quite large and impressive specimens. How fast do philodendron pink princess grow? Philodendron pink princess is not the fastest growing plant in my collection, but with the right care, it can put on noticeable growth over time. I've found that providing it with consistent light, water, and nutrients encourages steady growth, and occasional pruning can help to promote new growth and maintain its shape. How to get more pink in philodendron pink princess. Getting more pink in philodendron pink princess can be a bit of a challenge, as the intensity of the pink variegation can vary from plant to plant. However, I've found that providing ample light and occasional fertilization can help to enhance the pink coloration. Additionally, selecting plants with more pronounced pink variegation from the outset can increase the likelihood of vibrant pink leaves. How to prune philodendron pink princess. Pruning philodendron pink princess is a straightforward process that I've found helps to keep the plant looking its best. I like to remove any dead or yellowing leaves, as well as any stems that are growing in undesirable directions. Additionally, I occasionally prune to encourage bushier growth and remove any leggy or sparse areas. How to repot philodendron pink princess. When it's time to repot philodendron pink princess, I make sure to choose a pot that's only slightly larger than its current one, as they prefer to be somewhat root-bound. I use a well-draining potting mix and make sure to gently loosen the roots before transferring it to its new container. After repotting, I give the plant a thorough watering to help it settle into its new home. Is philodendron pink princess rare? Philodendron pink princess is considered rare in the houseplant community, which adds to its appeal for collectors like myself. Due to its popularity and limited availability, it can be challenging to find, and when you do come across it, it's often at a premium price. However, for me, the unique beauty of this plant makes it worth the effort and investment. Where can I buy a philodendron pink princess? I've found that philodendron pink princess can be purchased from a variety of sources, including online plant shops, specialty nurseries, and sometimes even local plant swaps or sales. While availability can vary depending on location and season, I've had success finding healthy plants by keeping an eye on social media plant groups, attending plant events, and regularly checking online retailers. Philodendron pink princess marble versus pink princess. When I think about the philodendron pink princess marble versus the classic pink princess, It's like comparing two beautiful pieces of art. The pink princess marble has this extra layer of visual interest with its intricate marbling, blending pinks with whites and greens in a way that almost looks hand-painted. On the other hand, the standard pink princess has a more straightforward, bold pink variegation against dark green leaves, which is striking in its own right. Personally, the marble variety catches my eye a bit more because it feels a little more unique and unpredictable in its patterns. Both are stunning, but there's something about the marble effect that feels a bit more special and rare in my collection. Philodendron Pink Princess versus White Princess. Comparing the Philodendron Pink Princess to Philodendron White Princess is a bit like comparing two shades of elegance. The Pink Princess, with its deep green leaves splashed with bright pink, always feels vibrant and energetic to me. It's like having a living piece of artwork in the room. The White Princess, though, has this sophisticated, almost ethereal quality with its creamy white variegation contrasting against the dark green. It feels a bit more refined and subtle. I find that the Pink Princess brings a pop of color and excitement, while the White Princess offers a more calming and classy presence. Depending on the mood I want to set, I'll appreciate one over the other, but both have their own charm and place in my home. Philodendron Pink Princess versus Pink Congo. Then came the news about Philodendron Pink Congo. A dream come true, right? A philodendron with consistently pink leaves? Except, well, it wasn't quite real. Turns out, the vibrant pink was a temporary effect of growth hormones. Disappointed? Absolutely. But it did make me appreciate the Pink Princess in a new light. Sure, she's demanding, but that pink, when it appears, is truly earned. Now, I'm on the hunt for a different splash of pink. Maybe a Philodendron Florida Ghost with its subtle variegation, or a blushing heartleaf philodendron. The Pink Princess will always hold a special place and require a special spot with the perfect light. But the quest for the perfect pink continues. Conclusion: the Philodendron Pink Princess, with its stunning pink variegation and relatively low maintenance care requirements, has earned its place as a crown jewel in my plant collection. By understanding and implementing the recommended care practices, enthusiasts can cultivate healthy and vibrant pink princess specimens, creating a captivating and dynamic indoor garden.